Chapter number 11 Key Takeaways. An assurance engagement may relate to the examination of subject matters other than an examination of financial statements prepared on the basis of historical financial information. In such types of assurance engagements, the examination may relate to prospective financial information or to provide assurance regarding non financial matters like the design and operation of the internal control in an entity. Standards on assurance engagements deals with the responsibilities of professional accountants in assurance engagements dealing with such matters. Prospective financial information. Prospective financial information means financial information based on assumptions about events that may occur in the future and possible actions by an entity. It can be in the form of a forecast, a projection, or a combination of both. SAE 3400 provides guidance on engagements to examine and report on prospective financial information, including examination procedures for best estimate and hypothetical assumptions. Service organization refers to a third party organization or a segment of third party organization that provides services to user entities that are likely to be relevant to user entities' internal control as it relates to financial reporting. Controls related to a service organization's operations and compliance objectives may be relevant to a user entities internal control as it relates to financial reporting. SA 3402 deals with assurance engagements undertaken by a professional accountant in public practice to provide a report for use by user entities and their auditors on the controls at a service organization that provide a service to user entities that is likely to be relevant to user entities internal control as it relates to financial reporting. Pro forma financial information refers to financial information shown together with adjustments to illustrate the impact of an event or transaction on unadjusted financial information as if the event had occurred or the transaction had been undertaken at an earlier date selected for purpose of the illustration. The pro forma financial information is normally used in the offer documents to demonstrate the effect of a transaction on the financial statements of a company as if those transactions had occurred at an earlier date. SAE 3420 deals with the reasonable assurance engagements undertaken by a practitioner to report on the responsible party's compilation of pro forma financial information included in a prospectus. SAE 3420 applies where such reporting is required by securities law or regulation of the security exchange in the jurisdiction in which the prospectus is to be issued, or this reporting is generally accepted practice in such jurisdiction.